Wonderful. In Germany, do you guys have this thing? 3 is the magic number? You don't? Well, you do now. Okay, release your fingers. As you exhale, drop the seat. One more time. Utkatasana. This posture is called the fierce posture. Fierce. What's the word for fierce in German?
Angst.
Huh? Angst. Yeah, man. You do this and you become fierce. Yeah, fierce. Okay. And to make it even more powerful, we chant Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Little lower. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Fold forward. Open the heart. Open the shoulders. Give the head a little movement. Breathe.